Are you ready to turn your home ownership dreams into reality and sell your home for top dollar? Hi, I'm Nikki Nail, a dedicated realtor with Cummings Co, and I'm here to help you do just that. If you're thinking of buying or selling your home, you need a trusted real estate partner who will guide you through the entire process with ease. That's where I come in. With over 21 years of experience in the local market, I know what it takes to get you the best possible deal. I use the latest technology, resources, and tools to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. My commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction is unmatched. I'm dedicated to selling your home for top dollar. That's right. With me on your side, you can expect to get the highest possible return on your investment. I'm not just a realtor. I'm a friend and a confidant. I'll listen to your needs and understand your vision and work tirelessly to make it a reality. I'm here to help you every step of the way, from finding the perfect home to signing the final papers. Don't wait to take the first step towards your dream home today. Choose me, Nikki Nail, the real estate partner who truly cares. Contact me now to schedule a free consultation, and let's make your home ownership dreams